guys, today is August 3, 2025. We are here in Garden Center, Armstrong Garden Center in Pasadena. We're gonna get this fountain for the house. Here we go. This one is 749. Hi there. I like this. This is my choice. Like 700. It's cute, simple. From work, he came straight here. Too many. This is a Quebec, yeah. Becky flowers. Beautiful. And this one is sunflowers. So tiny. Cutie, cutie. You guys are so cutie. Oh, there's a bee there.
We want to get one.
Yeah.
But I'm not, this is the only one you have, right? So we're going to pick it up tomorrow, but we'll pay for it today. You got a discount on it today, right? I'm a senior.
Or about senior.
Is that okay if we pick it up tomorrow? So you got to get the tablet ready, right? You got your phone number?
Yeah.
We like that. That's a good buy on that one.
I looked at it myself. It's really
We were here yesterday and we looked.
No,
You want me not to get it?
no, I want you to be happy. Who's
see,
going to be happier, you?
If you had any idea,
My birthday
it's your
gift.
birthday present.
Oh, happy birthday.
Yeah, August 9.
But it's been,
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
What's
yeah,
your
that.
phone number?
Yeah.
Church,
John Robinson.
John.
That's like
That's a good name, too.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so you say you're a senior? Okay.
I am way past senior.
640, 641. So
Alright.
we'll have the guys take it apart.
Yeah.
And then we will put it on a pallet. That doesn't necessarily mean you have to take it on a pallet. We just don't
I
want
can
it scratched.
I can take it out of pallet. I have a work truck I'll come in with
I
tomorrow.
don't think we can lift it out. I'm just saying. We
Okay.
put it on a pallet.
When you go to your spouse, it takes them forever. That's why I don't go. Not so busy today. Well, they were waiting for the meeting to get hot.
Okay, so I'm gonna have it that, what is your name?
Mike?
Toronto is beautiful. This is impatience. I wonder if it's a perennial. They have different colors. Look at that. Orange, pink, and this is red. Beautiful. I like the green. Oh wow, this plant's so cute. Look at that. With pinkish stems. This is Portulaca Megapasas Gold. I wonder if it's perennial. I will check. Oh no. It's annual. Sorry. Yay, we're back home, and these are the plants that I've got, paid by Josh, birthday gift to me. This is Coleus. The name is Pineapple Variety. I've got 2 trays. Each tray is $5.99. Look at the foliage, so beautiful, striking colors. And this one is a Japanese boxwood, which is $14.99. I'm gonna use this to practice to do topiary. So I will learn. These are my projects soon. So I've got two plants boxwood for topiary. I hope I will learn. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. God bless you all, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I will share the fountain on the next premiere. God bless you all. Thank you.